What's good, y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. So I got a pair of dunks. Ooh, these nice. Okay. These are nice. I actually never seen these kind of dunks before, which is crazy. These are nice. I might need a pair for myself. She wanted the blackout shoes. She ordered the shoes herself, and then she overnighted them to me. Anyways, let's just get straight into it. Y'all already know, to start any custom, we are going to start by removing the laces. Now that we got our laces removed, we are gonna go in with our acetone. Now that I got my shoe all prepped, the lace is done, I got acetone the whole shoe, I am gonna go in, start prepping my airbrush. So I do got the paint, which I'm using the world's blackest paint. I'm gonna mix some Duller in it just to make it a matte black as well, and then some Too Thin to thin it out enough for it to go through my airbrush. Now that I got it all loaded in to my airbrush, I am just going to start airbrushing. You can see the difference right there. Hopefully, you just want to apply thin light layers across the whole entire shoe. Let them dry in between each layer. Let's fucking go. Let's go. I am going to take out the insole. Like, that's a clean insole. They also wanted this black, so we'll be painting that as well. I don't know for real. Cause my butt for real. Got the tongue and the sock liner all done. Another quick comparison from each shoe. It's crazy. I can't wait to show y'all when they're laced up too. All right, y'all, and just like that, we got the finished product. Bro, These are so clean. If you haven't already, make sure you guys are following my TikTok at cmac31 and then my Instagram at cmac.31. Make sure you guys go hit those follow buttons on there. Also, if you enjoyed my video here today, make sure you guys are smashing that like button, hitting the subscribe button, that post bell notification. I'm posting daily. You know, I'm in grind mode, so make sure you guys are tuning in. I got some cool stuff coming on the way. We're super excited. I'm gonna stop yapping, but like, look at this, is crazy. And if y'all see my fingernails throughout the video, mind your business. I need them done. Anyways, again, drop that like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just